COSORI is actually my favorite kind of brand. So, of course, I had to purchase this COSORI Air Fryer. But the things that really caught my eyes was its 6-quart capacity, non-toxic ceramic coating, and 5 different convection levels. So, let's open it up and see exactly what we're dealing with. And here we go. Now let's take a closer look at each of the components inside the box. First, we've got a nice big envelope with recommended settings, user manual, and 50 plus handcrafted recipes from COSORI. As you can see, it's dark gray, and I think there is some kind of coating on it, which should make it a lot easier to clean than not having a coating. And then, as you can see, the bottom there's a curve to make it easier to grip at the back, and you can even see the convection fan right on top here. Now let's open this up. Okay, as you can see, the handle looks very sturdy, and you actually have to press the security lock for it to slide down. You can see it inside. It is ceramic coated, so if for any one of you afraid of the toxic Teflon coating, this should ease your worry. And then of course we've got the crisp plate over here, completely detachable, which makes it very easy to clean later when you tilt the air fryer basket. See? Very secure. Now let's put it back. Let's plug in, turn it on, roast, broil, and frozen. Now let's try air fry. Maximum of 450. Okay, so for air fry it only gets as high as 425, but the entire temperature range should be from 90 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, just hold it to fast forward. Should be enough to bake whatever you want, whether it's sweets or savory foods. Let's go back to air fry. Let's do 400 and let's try 15 minutes. So when you first get any kind of these like hot kitchen equipment, you would want to break them in by running them on kind of like the second highest temperature setting for around 15 to 20 minutes to make sure that there's no odd odor and make sure that the device is working properly. So let's do that. Okay, so once the air fryer is running, you can see that it shows cooking over here. Okay, first break-in is done. Now, let's hit it with our first test of air frying 12 ounce of frozen fries. According to the recipe book, this one can do 1 pound at a time, so 16 ounce at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes on air fry. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Get the basket out. You don't even need to preheat the air fryer. Just dump the fries in, spread it out, slide it in, and go. So we don't even need to flip it or anything, so I'm gonna see you again in 15 minutes. Okay, the jingle means it's ready. Let's take a look at what 15 minutes gave us. Let's dump it onto our plate. Listen to that. Pretty good. Okay, now let's break some of these up to see inside. Okay, crispy outside, moist inside, perfectly cooked. Alright, let's summarize everything. The color looks great, rectangular shape, fit in with any kitchen. The control feels smooth, though I wish I could adjust fan settings. Performance, I mean just look at these fries. Overall, very promising. So, stay tuned for a detailed review video with all the specs and actual cooking results in the near future. Maybe we'll do some croissant, some salmon, broccoli, bacon. Leave some suggestions down in the comment below. Leave a like and subscribe while you're there. And that concludes our unboxing of the COSORI TurboBlaze Air Fryer. If you're interested, there's an Amazon link in the description below. Any support from you is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching Shouldit, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!